Oh, hello everyone. Okay, today in this video we are going to talk about kinematics. Okay, kinematics. And in general physics, they all start with kinematics. And what does kinematics mean? It means kinematics is describing the motion of objects. So actually, it's very useful. It's very useful. Okay, because of the kinematics, it can describe the motion from atom to planets. So it can cross a lot of scale from very small scale to a very large scale. Kinematics always always can always valid. Okay. And so in the PowerPoint, I will give in the PowerPoint I will put some example on the motion of atom, the motion of aircraft, and motion of planet, video links for you. Okay, and you can you can view it by you can watch them by yourself. Yeah, so kinematics. Yeah, most of field they all need kinematics from atom to planet. Okay, okay. So and the kinematics it talks about the relationship between the position, velocity, and acceleration. Okay, and velocity is the rate change of position, and acceleration is the rate change of velocity. Okay, I think if you took the physics class in high school, I think you already know about this. Okay, and the first thing we should start with the position. Okay, we will start from position. Okay, if the position is the basic and position and go to the velocity, and then go to velocity goes to acceleration. Okay, first of all, how do we define a position? If we want to define a position, we need a tool. We need a tool. It's called coordinate. Coordinate. I'm not sure my slide has coordinate. Hmm. Okay, yeah, my slide has a coordinate. Okay, we need a tool called coordinate. Okay, or the coordinate. And the coordinate, let me change the, okay, okay, let me write, okay, maybe I can write on this window. Okay, then coordinate, okay, the coordinate, you have to use, you have to set up the two things. One is the origin, and the other is direction. Okay, in the coordinate system, there's a two things you have to set up. One is origin, and the other is direction. And the origin direction setup is all arbitrary. Yeah, you can set origin where is the origin. You can set the origin position you want. Okay, and you can set the direction you want. Okay, as long as you feel very convenient, you feel very convenient. And in the general physics, in the kinematics, general physics, the kinematics, I think most of the general physics discuss the 1D and 2D kinematics. Wow, 1D and 2D kinematics. For 3D kinematics, I believe most general physics you won't talk about 3D kinematics because that would that would be very too much calculations. In 1D and 2D kinematics, you can calculate by your hand. Okay, that's why I think most general physics discuss the 2D and 1D and 2D kinematics. And in this course, we start from the 1D kinematics, and then we go to the 2D kinematics. Okay. 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 Let me change to the other window. Okay, because I want to address more about the coordinate. Okay, coordinate system. And now we use the 1D coordinate. Oh, sorry, it's a little mess right now. Okay, okay. And in textbook, it used the American city to use to as a example, but I changed it a little bit. I use the city in Taiwan as to show the to show concept coordinate. And it's the five major city in Taiwan: Taipei City, Hsinchu City, Taichung City, Tainan City, and Kaohsiung City. And this is the number here is the distance between the city. Okay, and this I'm sorry about that. This graph is not drawn in scale, so okay, I'm sorry about that. Just but it doesn't matter the further discussion. Okay, let's assume where we had 1D coordinate system. Okay, 1D coordinate system. We now have sorry about that. One. Okay, this pen. Okay, okay. We are introduced 1D coordinate. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Sorry. Is this? Okay. Okay, sorry. There's something messed up in my computer. Okay. Okay, 1D coordinate system. Okay. Okay, as I mentioned, in a coordinate system, you have to two things you have to set up. One is origin and the other is direction. Okay, let me start very simple example. We can for this one dimension coordinate, I can set the origin maybe so it's Taipei City. So let's make a marker here, like make an origin here. And the origin, and then the next thing we have to define the direction. Okay, what the define direction means? So in this 1D coordinate, we have to define which way is positive and which way is negative. So so we can define. We use very simple, okay, very intuitive definition. We can define the down direction is positive and up direction is negative. Okay, okay. So when we set up this coordinate origin and direction definition, so let us see. Okay, the Taipei city under this coordinate system is 0. Okay, there's no none. I think that's no problem. Okay, it's 0. And we have blue color 0. Okay, and what's the position of Hsinchu City under this coordinate? So it's distance 65, so it's 65. And what's the position of Taichung City under this coordinate system? It's 65, and then go further 79, so it's 144, 144. Okay, so what's the position of Tainan City in this coordinate? I think it's 280, right? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I should remove this. Uh, where should I put this? Okay, here. And final, where is the what's the position of Kaohsiung City under this coordinate? So it's 322. I believe it's 322. Okay. So under this coordinate, the position of each city is shown on the right and on the right hand side. Okay. So now I make a little change. I make a little change. If I set the origin on the other city and make another definition of positive and negative direction, and what the position will be. Okay, well, I think I can zoom out. Sorry. I think I should. Uh, I should move it here. Okay. Okay. So I changed it a bit. I set out another coordinate. The same system, but I set out different coordinate. Let me see. If I set origin, if I set origin, maybe okay. Taichung City. I set origin here. Uh, origin, and now I make a different definition of direction. I use the opposite. I mean, if up up is positive and down is negative. Okay, so I make another definition. Sorry, I shouldn't put it here. It's a little mess. Okay, I should right here. Right, up is positive, down is negative. So under this new setup, what's the position of each system will be? Sorry, it is the first time I operate this, so it's kind of mess. Okay, okay. So let's okay, under the new coordinate system, what's the position of each city will be? Let me recalculate. It's 1B065144280 and 322. Okay, and under new coordinate system, the position of each city will change. So okay, so the origin will locate at Taichung City. So the position of Taichung City on the new coordinate is 0, right? Okay, and so what's the position of Hsinchu City on the new coordinate? We think the Hsinchu City is 79 kilometers from the Taichung City. So and Hsinchu City is positive direction, positive direction. So it will become 79. And what's the position of Taipei City under the new at the new under in the new coordinate? It's 79 plus 65, so it's 144. Okay, 144. Okay, so what about Tainan City and Kaohsiung City? Tainan City and Kaohsiung City, okay, they are negative direction. Okay, and the Taichung City is 0, and Tainan City is 136 kilogram from Taichung City. So and its negative direction, so its position under this coordinate is minus 136. And what's the Kaohsiung City? The position of Kaohsiung City, it's let me see, it's mm, minus 178. Is that right? Minus 178. Minus 178. Okay. So I use this example to introduce the concept of coordinate. Okay, because before we define the position, we need a coordinate system. In a coordinate system, you need to set up two things. One is origin and one is the direction. Okay, you can see the same system. You have different when you have different origin and different direction set up. The number of position changes at the different coordinate systems. Okay, so this video I will show you the concept of coordinate. Okay. And it's all my, this just, I think I'll stop here because I don't want to make a video too long. Okay, in the next video, I will keep going to talk about kinematics, and we'll go to the definition of velocity and speed. Okay, so that's pretty much about this video. So see you next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. I should stop.